Upgrade your kitchen with style and performance. Discover the top 5 best pull-down sprayer faucets that combine sleek design, powerful functionality, and lasting durability. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or filling pots, these faucets deliver convenience and elegance, perfect for any modern kitchen makeover. Number 1. Kraus Pull Down Kitchen Sprayer Faucet. The Kraus Pull Down Kitchen Sprayer Faucet is a stylish and highly functional addition to any modern kitchen or laundry space. Featuring a commercial faucet design, this model boasts a high-arc open-coil spring spout that delivers a professional, sleek aesthetic while being compact enough with its 18 3/4 height to fit seamlessly under most cabinets. Engineered for performance and convenience, it offers a spout height of 6 1/4 inches, an 8 5/8 inch reach, and a 180-degree swivel range, ensuring full sink coverage. The pull-down sprayer with reach technology adds versatility, giving you a smooth, retractable hose with a swivel adapter for effortless maneuvering. Constructed with a heavy-duty metal body, durable nylon water lines, and a ceramic cartridge, this faucet is built to withstand daily wear while delivering reliable performance. Its ADA-compliant design ensures easy use for all household members. The wear-resistant finish is available in brushed gold, matte black, and spot-free stainless steel, offering both visual appeal and low-maintenance upkeep. The spot-free options resist fingerprints and water spots, keeping your faucet looking pristine with minimal effort. The Kraus pull-down faucet is where form meets function, modern, durable, and made to elevate your kitchen experience. Number 2. Faucet Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. The Faucet Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet combines industrial style with long-lasting performance to meet the demands of even the busiest kitchens. Crafted with a heavy-duty all-metal body and handle, a rust-resistant finish, and a durable spring design, this faucet is built to endure. Its superior-grade ceramic cartridge is tested to handle over 500,000 cycles, offering a potential lifespan of up to 46 years with regular use. Functionality takes center stage with a dual spray system, the high-pressure pre-rinse sprayer and a separate pot filler spout, both of which swivel 360 degrees for complete sink access. The one-function sprayer is perfect for rinsing, while the pot filler offers a steady stream, letting you manage multiple kitchen tasks with ease. The single-handle design provides smooth control over water temperature and flow. A lockable sprayer trigger allows hands-free operation, ideal when scrubbing dishes. And easy-clean rubber nozzles prevent mineral buildup, making maintenance effortless. Aesthetically, the Faucet faucet makes a bold statement with its contemporary industrial style and striking high-arc silhouette, elevating the look of any kitchen. Backed by responsive customer support, it's a practical and stylish upgrade for any home chef. Number 3. AMD Pull Down Kitchen Sprayer Faucet. The AMD Pull Down Kitchen Sprayer Faucet brings futuristic functionality and eye-catching style to your kitchen with its unique LED light feature. Powered by water flow, no batteries required, the LED lights automatically change color based on the water temperature, offering a fun, practical way to avoid scalds or cold shocks while adding a dynamic visual element to your sink area. Designed for versatility, this faucet includes 2 spouts, an LED aerated stream spout for everyday use and an extremely powerful pull-out sprayer for intensive rinsing. Perfect for both single and double bowl sinks, this model is tailored to meet the varying needs of modern kitchens. Constructed from lead-free brass with a brushed nickel finish, the AMD faucet resists rust, corrosion, and tarnishing, ensuring long-term durability. Its single-lever handle allows easy and intuitive control of both water temperature and flow. The 360-degree swivel design of both the sprayer and spout enhances reach and flexibility, and they can even operate simultaneously for maximum efficiency. Blending innovation with reliability, the AMD LED faucet delivers both form and function. With quick customer support available via Amazon, it's a bright, practical upgrade for any home chef. Number 4. Gimli Commercial Pull Down Kitchen Faucet. The Gimli Commercial Pull Down Kitchen Faucet offers a perfect blend of industrial strength and modern style, making it a standout centerpiece for any kitchen. Designed with 2 independent nozzles, it features a high-pressure spray mode ideal for blasting away food residue and a gentle stream mode for efficient water filling, all while conserving water effectively. Its sleek, High arc design brings a fresh and minimalist aesthetic that complements most sink setups. However, due to its bold height, it's important to ensure adequate clearance for installation. The combination of solid brass construction and a brushed surface finish resists rust, fingerprints, oil stains, and wear, offering long-lasting durability and low maintenance. Functionality shines with the 360 degrees rotating pull-down nozzle, allowing easy reach and thorough cleaning without dead angles. The bayonet locking system lets you operate both nozzles simultaneously, ideal for speeding through kitchen tasks. The ceramic valve core ensures precision control and leak-free performance for years to come. With round-the-clock customer support available via Amazon, Gimli provides not only a premium faucet but also peace of mind. It's a high-performance, stylish solution for those who demand both utility and elegance in their kitchen. Number 5. Hansgrohe Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet. The Hansgrohe Pull Down Sprayer Kitchen Faucet blends modern functionality with timeless elegance, offering a sleek solution that enhances both everyday tasks and overall kitchen aesthetics. Designed to complement any kitchen style, this faucet features a stainless steel PVD finish that resists scratches, stains, and wear, maintaining its polished look for years to come. Functionality takes center stage with a 150-degree swivel spout, giving you extended reach and flexibility at the sink. The pull-out spray head expands your range of motion, making it easier to rinse produce, wash dishes, and fill pots. With a push-button switch at the spout, you can toggle between two spray modes, a crystal-clear laminar stream for rapid pot filling, and a gentle shower spray for delicate rinsing tasks. The faucet is also equipped with MagFit, Hansgrohe's magnetic docking system that securely holds the spray head in place for a clean, seamless appearance. Flexible 3/8-inch hoses allow for quick and easy installation to standard valves, though professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. Combining German engineering, premium materials, and thoughtful design, the Hansgrohe faucet is a refined choice for those who value precision, durability, and style in their kitchen.